Hi everybody, this is Xenon the Fixer, and I will show you how to fix the search engine. Let's say this. You see my wallpaper right here on my mouse. On Google Chrome, it should show this: the Google and the search Google or type URL. If you don't show that, I will show you how to fix that. So you need Google Chrome. Let's say you had this for a while and out of nowhere this doesn't show up on my mouse that I'm highlighting. Once you go there, and if it shows like this, like I was saying, it doesn't show the Google sign, I want you to do this. Just go to these three little dots, go to settings. Now on search engine, where does it say search engine use in the address bar? Mine was on Yahoo, but go back to Google. After that, you will see a change. So let me show you. If you go another, you want it like this. So let's say if I go back to Yahoo or anything else, AOL, whatever, not AOL, let's say like Yahoo, this should change. Let me go back. Okay, right there. But if I go back to Google, now it shows this: the search for Google or type your website, anywhere you want to go. So that's for people that are having this search engine problem. I hope this helps for some people or a lot of people, I don't know. And thanks for watching. See you later. This is Xenon the Fixer. Bye bye.